If you want to learn more about AI, blockchain, Spring Boot, and other technologies, don't forget to like, share, and follow 7MC Official. Thank you.
Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? First, let's dive into Dart, the programming language essential for creating applications with Flutter. You'll discover how to declare variables, utilize functions, and define classes, laying a solid groundwork in object-oriented principles that will prove invaluable. With engaging examples, we'll guide you through writing your first few lines of code, so the excitement of mobile app development can begin right away. You'll feel empowered as you see your code come to life. Let's get started. Next, we'll transition into Flutter, Google's UI toolkit that enables you to create visually stunning mobile applications using a single codebase. Setting it up is straightforward, and we'll walk you through each step carefully. As you master the tool, you will begin crafting beautiful user interfaces that stand out from the crowd. Engaging tutorials will ensure that you not only learn the how-to-OS, but also appreciate the creative aspects of app development. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment as your app starts to take shape before your eyes. We can't wait to show you everything Flutter has to offer. As you grow more familiar with Flutter, we'll delve into the world of Android development. Understanding how Android operates is crucial for any aspiring mobile developer. We'll explore the architecture that underpins Android applications, focusing on the key components like activities and layouts. Through hands-on demonstrations, you'll learn how apps function smoothly on Android devices, transforming your theoretical knowledge into practical skills. With this foundation, you will be well-equipped to develop applications that not only run effectively, but also provide a great user experience. Exciting challenges await as we deepen your understanding of Android. As we continue on this path, we'll shift our focus to Kotlin. Understanding this modern programming language is vital, especially as it is the preferred choice for Android development. You'll learn about its syntax, features, and how it compares to Dart and Flutter. By comparing both languages side by side, you'll appreciate their unique strengths, helping you choose the right tool for your app building projects. Engaging exercises will further bolster your coding skills, making it easier to grasp concepts. You'll feel confident as you navigate through Kotlin's capabilities, ready to enhance your Android applications with its powerful framework. As we wrap up our exploration, let's turn our attention to Firebase. This powerhouse platform will take your apps to the next level by integrating cloud services effortlessly. We'll guide you through setting up Firebase, demonstrating features like real-time databases and user authentication, which are crucial for any app's success. By harnessing the capabilities of Firebase, you'll elevate your applications, providing a seamless user experience that keeps users engaged and satisfied. By following this roadmap, you'll transform your aspirations into tangible skills, becoming a proficient mobile app developer prepared to build innovative applications. Each step will equip you with knowledge and confidence, setting the stage for a bright future in mobile development. Now, let's embark on this exciting adventure together.